Have you ever wondered about the differences between Forex trading and option trading? Indeed, it's a question that piques the curiosity of many, whether you're a seasoned trader or a novice just dipping your toes into the exhilarating world of finance. Let's delve into the fascinating arena of Forex or foreign exchange trading first. It's the world's largest financial market where currencies are bought and sold around the clock. The pros of Forex trading are quite tempting. 1. It's a 24-hour market, providing you with the flexibility to trade at any time of the day or night. 2. It offers high liquidity, meaning you can buy or sell currencies without causing significant price fluctuations. 3. It allows for leverage, which can amplify your profits, albeit it can magnify your losses too. However, every rose has its thorn. The cons of Forex trading include a high level of risk due to market volatility. Plus, the need for constant market monitoring can be exhausting, and the use of leverage, while potentially profitable, can lead to significant losses. Now let's shift gears and explore the realm of option trading. Unlike Forex trading, options give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. The pros? 1. Options provide a high level of strategic flexibility. You can use them to hedge against potential losses in other investments. 2. You have the potential for unlimited profits, especially with call options. 3. You know your maximum potential loss from the outset, which is the premium you pay to buy the option. But remember, there's no such thing as a free lunch. The cons of option trading include the possibility of the entire investment amount loss if the option expires worthless. Plus, options can be complex to understand for beginners, and the fees associated with trading options can add up. So there you have it. Forex trading and option trading, each with its unique set of pros and cons. Forex trading offers round-the-clock trading, high liquidity, and the potential for significant profits through leverage. But it also comes with high risk, the need for constant monitoring and potential losses from leverage. On the other hand, option trading provides strategic flexibility, potential for unlimited profits, and known maximum loss. But it's complex, can result in a total loss of the investment, and trading fees can accumulate. Remember, the choice between Forex and option trading boils down to your individual goals, risk tolerance, and trading acumen. It's a decision that should be made with careful consideration and thorough research. Happy trading!